Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to delete browser data. Right now, if there are some sites you've accessed in the past in your Google Chrome that you want to delete, or there are some data you have that you want to delete on your Google Chrome, now I will show you exactly how you can do that. Right, so just follow the steps here and you can achieve that. So you can just come to this dotted line. Once you are in your Chrome, come to this dotted line here, 3 dotted line, and you tap on it. Then you will see where they said delete browsing data. Now this area comprises of sites that you've accessed, some kind of files that you've downloaded in the past, and other cache you get that might be making your browser to even go slower, because when you have a lot of cache in a particular app, it slows down that particular app. So I'll now click on delete, and look at here now, it says time ranges. So you can decide the time range at which you want. You can decide for the past 24 hours. So whatever you want to delete is what you've accessed in the past 24 hours. Then the browsing data. Now let's click here. So the browsing data, you can see browsing history. I've from Google plus 3 sites. So I've accessed 3 sites in the past few days. So I can choose to delete all those sites I've accessed. I can also tick here, that is the cookie site, if I still want to delete every cookie that I've accessed, and the cache, the image and files, whatever things that I've downloaded, I have choose to delete all of these. Now if I just wish to delete only one, just like the last tab, I can uncheck it. I can uncheck it. Now I'll have only this left. So it means that this is the only thing I want to get deleted from my Chrome browser. Right, so when I'm done checking, I'll click on confirm. So it now depends on you. What do you want to delete? How many do you want to choose? And all of that. So you can check as many as you wish, and you click on confirm. Now as you can see, I'll now click on delete data. Right, now you can see, I've cleared data for those tabs. Right, now the cache is still there because I didn't select it. Right, if this video was helpful, do well to subscribe to this channel, like, share.